Impeachment saga. It may feel like a lifetime ago, pero believe it or not, ang impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte ang bukang bibig ng taong bayan sa unang kalahati ng taon. Duterte was indicted by the House in February for alleged betrayal of public trust, among other grounds. Kinastigo siya sa kanyang di umano'y pagwaldas ng kanyang confidential funds at ang kanyang pagbabanta sa buhay ni Pangulong Marcos. But the road to her trial was marred by endless delays. The Senate, led by then Senate President Chis Escudero, only convened into an impeachment court in June, just before the 19th Congress came to a close. At yung mga kaalyado ni VP sa Senado successfully moved to return the articles of impeachment to the House para raw maitama ng Kamara ang mga quote-unquote constitutional infirmities sa reklamo laban kay Sara. The Supreme Court eventually declared her impeachment unconstitutional, giving the Senate a reason to archive the case. Tuluyang namatay ang paglilitis noong Agosto, ni hindi man lang nabigyan ng pagkakataon ang House prosecutors to make their case before the impeachment court. Isang beses lang pwedeng maghain ng impeachment complaint laban sa isang impeachable official kada taon. Yung daan-daang kongresistang pumirma para kasuhan siya noong Pebrero, handa kaya ulit panugutin si VP Sara kung may maghain ng panibagong reklamo laban sa kanya sa susunod na taon? O takot na kaya silang kalabanin ang perceived frontrunner ng 2028 presidential election?